If you want to block mobile data for specific apps on Nothing Phone 3, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to block the mobile data access for apps of our choice. So we're gonna go to search and then we can find, for example, the NetGuard app. This is an example app that provides us the option that allows us to block the mobile data. So we're gonna open the app. Once we install it, press I agree. Now over here we need to enable NetGuard, so tap on the switcher and press OK. And then once again press OK and just keep tapping over here. Alright, if we go to app battery usage, then over here we need to go to the NetGuard. Let's find it, there we go, let's open it. Then go to allow background usage and you want to set it to unrestricted. And let's go back. After that, we're gonna press OK. Over here, we can also set up the unrestricted mobile data usage, although I'm not sure if that's really necessary. So let's go back. And over here, we can tap on this orange text at the top in order to grant notification permission. So let's allow. Over here, we can press OK in order to hide this information. Of course, you can read that first before you remove them. And now, in order to block the access to mobile data, all you have to do is simply press on this triangle on the right side. This is the icon for mobile data, so you can decide which apps should not have access to mobile data. So now in this case, in the case of these apps, I can only use these apps if I have Wi-Fi. By the way, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and open settings in order to go to defaults, and you can block mobile data by default. So now every app will have the mobile data blocked, as you can see over here. Even if you install new apps, immediately after that they should have blocked mobile data. Of course, you can still decide one by one. You can go through all these settings in order to find out more options if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.